Hello, and welcome to this morning yoga flow. This is a fast practice that you can do when you are busy, but you still want to give your body a little boost in the morning. So we're going to start standing at the top of the mat. Feet are hip width. Take a moment to ground yourself, lifting your toes, grounding them, spread them wide. Go to the toes, lift your heels, and then ground the heels. And again, lifting the toes, spread them, and then put them down again onto the floor. From the hips down, you push into the floor, palms of the hands forward, shoulders back. Inhale, lift the arms, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Inhale and plank. Exhale, you can drop your knees to the floor to go to chaturanga. Let's go to Sphinx. Elbows under the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, push back up to tabletop. Tuck your toes under. And then exhale to downward dog. Let's start with a slight bend in the knees. Maybe you want to pedal, bringing one heel close to the floor. And then the other. Now look up, inhale, and then take baby steps to walk to the top of the mat. Inhale halfway up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, drop the upper body down. Inhale, roll up all the way to standing, arms above your head, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Namaste. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift halfway, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale to plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale to chaturanga. Let's go to cobra. Press the feet down, hands by the side of your shoulders, pressing the floor slowly. Go slow. Inhale up. And then exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale once. And then step or jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, stand up. Lift the arms up. Look up. Exhale, namaste. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Look up. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, halfway. Look up. Exhale, plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale, chaturanga. This time you can take any back bend you like. Maybe up dog, maybe cobra or sphinx again. Inhale in here. Exhale in downward facing dog. Pause for a breath in. Exhale out. Step to the top of the mat. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, stand tall. Arms up, look up. Exhale, arms by your side. Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Arms up. And then fold forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale to plank. Inhale in plank. And then exhale to chaturanga. You can modify with the knees down. Now choose your back bend, Sphinx, Cobra, or up dog. And then exhale to downward dog. Take a breath here. Inhale once. And then exhale completely. Now lift your right leg up in the air. Square the hips. Exhale to step through high lunge. Arms up, inhale. As you exhale, twist open to the right side, arms open in a T shape. Pause, inhale once. With the exhale, you're going to spin around to the left and open out into warrior two. Inhale in warrior two. Exhale, flip the front palm and then reverse your warrior. Take a breath here. Now exhale to go to Parshvakonasana, elbow onto knee or thigh or hand onto the floor. Inhale. One more time, and then exhale. Left hand down, face forward, step to plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale in chaturanga. Inhale in your back bend. And then exhale in down dog. Inhale once. Exhale, release. Inhale, left leg lifts and steps forward into high lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale here. Exhale and twist open, spin open to your right, warrior two. Inhale here. Exhale out. Flip your front palm to the sky and then inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, Parshvakonasana. Maybe elbow onto knee or hand onto the floor. Inhale. Exhale to plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale into your back bend. Exhale, downward dog. Let's take a breath. With the exhale, hop, step or jump to the top of the mat. Let's inhale all the way up to stand, Tadasana. Now turn to face the long side of the mat. Open the legs wide. Hands on your hips, shoulders back, elbows back. Press the outer edge of your feet down. Keep the feet strong. And then fold forwards. And then you can deepen your breath. You can place your hands onto the floor or hold your ankles. Next inhale, lift halfway, place your hands underneath. You may bend the knees here if you need to. Place your left hand under the face and then inhale, right arm up, sorry. Let's breathe here. Next exhale, right hand down under the face and inhale, left arm up, open to the left. Breathe 3 times. Ground your feet, relax your face. Push the bottom hand, pull the upper hand. And then let's release the twist and come back to center. Hands to the hips, bend the knees, roll up to standing. Take your heels in and toes out. Dropping your tailbone, bend the knees to the sides, goddess. You can do Gyan Mudra or join the hands in front of your chest. One more breath. With the exhale, let's straighten the legs. Turn to face the front of the mat and step forward. Take your right knee into your chest. Find your balance here. Maybe you want to stay here, or maybe you can catch your foot or your knee. And as you keep the leg extended forward, you will extend the right arm behind. And maybe turn your gaze as well towards that hand. Find your breath. Slowly release. Lower the right foot down. Let's reset and pedal a little bit the legs. Shake out the tension. Other side. Left knee into the chest. So you can stay here just holding your knee and trying to twist in this way. Or again, catch that toe or foot and extend the leg and twist. And maybe turn the gaze too. Keep breathing. Final breath. Exhale and slowly release. Pedal your legs. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forwards, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, halfway up. Exhale to plank. Breathe in. And exhale slowly into Chaturanga. Maybe you want to use your knees for support. Until you lie down to the floor. Now, arms lengthening by the side of the body, pulling back with the shoulders. Lift your feet off the floor, Shalambhasana. Extend the back of the neck, chin down. Roll your shoulders back, lift your legs and arms. And of course, breathe. One more breath. And with your exhale, you can come down slowly. Whew. Inhale once. And then exhale to tabletop. Now, make sure your alignment is correct. Place the fingertips of your right hand onto the temple. Inhale, right elbow up. And then exhale. Turn. Place that right arm underneath the left. Place your shoulder, right shoulder and right arm down. Press onto the floor to twist your chest to your left. Choice to keep your left hand in front or to the sky. And let's come back to all fours. Do the same. So you place your left fingertips onto your temple, lift your elbow to the sky, turn the chest to the left, inhale. And then exhaling, you bring that elbow on the inside of the other arm, lengthen your arm, place your shoulder and arm to the floor, left side, press the floor, turn to your right. Choose whether you keep that right hand down or lift to the sky. Breathe once or twice. And next exhale, we're going to go back to center. Join our big toes, open our knees wide. And then go to child's pose, buttocks on heels, forehead down. Rest completely here. Release the back, the face, the neck. Next exhale, you will roll up to a kneeling position and keep your eyes closed. If kneeling is not comfortable, you can sit simple crossed legs. Now take a moment to savor the sensation of this practice. Maybe you want to set an intention for your day ahead. Today I will remember to breathe. Now you may open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining this class. I hope it gave you the boost you needed to start the day. Please leave a comment and let me know how you feel. And I hope to see you soon. Take care.